Hey y'all, it's Hallie. So it's October 2nd today, but Halloween is gonna come up faster than we realize, and since like August, I'm not even gonna lie, since August I have been thinking about what I'm gonna be for Halloween. I do not do the cutesy type of Halloween costumes. The gorier, the scarier, the better. I literally, since I was a child, I have not done something cute. I did Wednesday Addams once. I did a vampire last year. I even got some fake fangs. Like, Halloween is my shit, and I want to go all out for it. So this year I thought to do Cruella de Vil. I wanted to do something where I could change my hair, I could put some makeup on, wear like a badass costume. So I'm doing Cruella de Vil. And many of us might not know, but Cruella de Vil wears green eyeshadow. I just got my shipment in from ColourPop of a bunch of green stuff, and I thought I was gonna go through and try it out and attempt to do a green eyeshadow. Let me preface this with I am no beauty guru. I'm gonna try to give y'all a little tutorial, but I am not a tutorial channel, so we'll just, I don't know, we're just gonna go with it. So I've already put my foundation on and I've I've set my face, but I've not contoured, I've not done my eyelashes, and I've not done my eyebrows because I don't do all that before I do my eyes. So here we go, I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm using Morphe palette 35V and I'm not gonna tell you what colors, I'm just gonna go with it. First, I'm gonna put like a kind of a neutral tone, like gonna be able to blend it in with the green. So I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take this pressed powder Conjure Up. It's not sparkly, it's oh my god, that would have been so bad if it shattered. I would have been so freaking pissed. So it's actually a lot darker than you'd think. And I'm gonna try to go in and ease it in the crease and build the color. This is just gonna be very bad. Okay, so now I think I'm just gonna like start building the color. Well, that is some green eyeshadow right there, no lies about that. So I have these two different colors, and I really like the idea of the jelly. What? Yeah. But then this color is lighter. It's a loose powder. Maybe I'll do the jelly on this side and the loose powder on this side and see which one I like better. Oh my god, this looks so shitty. Alright, I'm gonna go in first with the loose pigment, and it's said that it's better used when wet. Like many other things. So I'm gonna take a like elf setting spray, whatever, and my brush. I mist it a bit. Dip it in. Oh my god, it's so sparkly. Not as light as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, it's not near. So maybe what I'll do on the other side is put the jelly on first and then apply the loose powder on top of that if I need to. So here's the loose jelly. It's like so stinking cool. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do with it. Oh my god, it's like cold on my eyelid. That is like way more neon. This is so sparkly and pretty, but this is like neon, and that is what I wanted. I'm gonna nix the powder. I'm gonna add the jelly on the other side. this one, it's a shimmery, and it's more like it's green, but it kind of also looks like not teal, but like, I don't know. I'm not good with colors. But that is what I'm doing. I'm adding to the original green. Okay, I think I'm done with all the greens until I do my lower lash line, but I'm gonna add a little bit of black, just give it some, as James Charles would say, definition. And then I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeshadow, my eyelashes and my eyebrows, and then come back on. First, let me just get a little bit of black, just like tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Might need a little bit more. Then I'm gonna just take my blending brush and try to blend it out. You might be thinking, Hallie, holy shit, that looks so bad. But let me just tell you, it always looks way worse before you have eyelashes on. So that might be why. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna put my mascara on, do my eyebrows and contour, and then come back and finish up. Okay, yo, what's up? I'm back. So I got my eyelashes on. These are my real eyelashes. I don't apply fake ones because that's effortful. Just did a little bit of eyebrows that kind of look like ass. Contoured my face. Can't really tell. So I guess the last, hold on, let me get my life ordered. So I guess the last thing to do is do my lower lash line, apply maybe some, do I have any? I do, let me not be dramatic. Apply some eyeliner, and then I have this green mascara that I'm thinking about using on my bottom lashes. Don't know how that's gonna look. It might not be dark enough to even see, so we're just gonna try that today. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my waterline, and I'm just gonna use two simple colors. It's gonna be the dark, oh my god, the dark one, and then the lighter sparkly one. It really just pulls it all together. Like, I was looking very bare, I felt like, over on this side, but when you add some on the bottom lower lash line, it really just, it's like full circle, brings your look together. I'm loving the green. Even if I wasn't doing Cruella de Vil, I'm just loving this green look. Man, that looks nice. I love it. I don't know how it's gonna look as Cruella de Vil since I'm not in my whole get-up, but I don't typically like putting anything in my waterline. It kind of bothers my eyes, but for the sake of the look, I will. Okay, and then let's see how this works. Look how metallic it looks. Oh my god, it's so bright and light colored. Oh god. Well, that's a fail. You can't even see it. That's too bad because it could have been really fun. Well, there's that. Should I put a red lip on in true Cruella fashion? Let's do some red lips. So what do we think? Do we like it? I definitely think that I need to put regular mascara on the bottom. Maybe I'll do a wing liner. Maybe I'll stick with doing the lighter color directly in the middle, like I had wanted to. It just didn't work out. But imagine this whole look with half white, half black hair. That's gonna be freaking awesome. Anyway, I think this practice makeup run is done. If you thought for my first attempt I did pretty okay, given I also didn't follow a tutorial, I just kind of winged it myself, give me a like, hit subscribe, be sure to support my efforts. You could also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at HallieMSwift. And I also run a blog, so I'm gonna leave that link below. You can check that out as well. And as always, thanks for watching.